Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned on Omegle. If you're already banned on there, or if you haven't been banned yet, you might know that it is extremely easy to get banned on Omegle. There's so many different ways that they will ban you for simple reasons. So let me show you how you can get around those bans and how you can get unbanned extremely quickly. So if you get banned, you're typically banned just on one IP address. So the easiest way to get unbanned and to start chatting again is to use a VPN. Now the VPN that I recommend, because it is the least expensive and has the most servers, has to be Surfshark VPN. Now all you need to do is go to the description down below and get Surfshark VPN, and then just select one of these different locations to log into. So for example, if you want to go to Sydney, Australia, simply click it. It will log in, and now I'm in Australia according to my IP address. So now that I've switched to Australia, every time I go back to Omegle, my IP address is going to be changed. If you get banned multiple times, simply log back into your VPN and select a different server. There's multiple servers in each location, and there are literally hundreds of different servers for you to choose from. Now just to prove to you that my IP address has changed, if I go to what's my IP, you can see it says that I'm in Sydney, Australia. Now, if I go back to Surfshark and I change it to Greece, for example, it's going to log me in to Greece. And once that's done, I'll reload this page and it will say that I am actually in Greece. So let's do that now. And as you can see now, it looks like I'm in Greece. So that's it. If you want to get unbanned from Omegle, all you need to do is go ahead and get Surfshark. I will leave a discount link in the description down below. Be sure to install it on whatever device you're on. This works on any device: Android, iPhone, Mac, Windows, whatever you may have. Simply download it, select one of the locations, and you'll be able to get back into Omegle straight away. Now, if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else who you know has been naughty and has got banned on Omegle.